In the first part of the experiment, you will be qualitatively examining the equilibrium shown here. You will be mixing two colorless reactants, which will react to form a colored product. Follow the procedure as written. Use the dispensing burettes to dispense 20 ml of iron 3 nitrate and 20 milliliters of sodium thiocyanate into a clean 50 ml volumetric flask. The orange color should be apparent immediately upon mixing of the two reactants. Unlike other experiments, your solvent in this case is 0.1 molar nitric acid, so be sure to fill to the mark with 0.1 molar nitric acid, not deionized water. Pipette 5 milliliters of this stock solution into a 10 milliliter volumetric flask. Fill the volumetric flask to the mark with 0.1 molar nitric acid solution, stopper, and mix. This is your reference solution. Launch Logger Pro. Calibrate the SpectroVis using 0.1 moles per liter nitric acid solution as the blank. Again, do not use water as the blank. 0 with 0.1 molar nitric acid, as this is your solvent in this experiment. Once you have calibrated the SpectroVis with nitric acid, it is time to find the absorbance of your reference solution. First, rinse the cuvette twice with small amounts of the reference solution, then insert the cuvette into the SpectroVis. Click on the spectrophotometer icon, select absorbance versus time, select a desired wavelength of 447 nanometers, then press OK. Your absorbance reading should be available on screen. You should not have to push collect to see your absorbance. Follow the procedure as written for steps 6 and 7, which refer to the qualitative effects of temperature on the observed equilibrium. You'll be heating and cooling samples of your solution, monitoring the change in absorbance observed while heating or cooling. Steps 8 through 11 refer to the effects of additional reactant solution on equilibrium. Your prepared solution is at equilibrium, and you will be monitoring the effect of adding additional reactants. You should be able to predict the outcome relating to color change based on the observed equilibrium expression. Remember, your reactants are colorless and the product is colored. Steps 12 to 13 refer to the addition of sodium hydroxide to your solution. Follow the procedure as written and record your observations. In part 2, you will be assigned one of the 4 solutions shown here. Prepare the solutions as described and measure its absorbance. The value will allow you to calculate the equilibrium constant.